For evaluating our wonderful innovations in low-in food, we would like to look in more detail in efficacy, but also we would like to look at the social impacts. Also want to look at is the economic side, of course, and the environmental part is not least important. There are so many emissions involved with food production, and if we can save food from being wasted, we can also save a lot of emissions, and this is our goal.
We are going to implement two surveys. One is about the economic benefits of having implemented these innovations that are being deployed in the scope of the project. And the other one is about behavioral change and awareness of the participants that took part in the deployment of the innovations.
The first way to see if an innovation is actually working is to measure how food is wasted and how food is saved after the innovation is implemented. So we needed to find some measurement methods based on the European Commission methodology, so based on a standardized methodology, but we had to develop some specific indicators specific for our innovations. So we needed a consultative process based on a dialogue with our innovators, because we cannot propose difficult or too time-demanding indicators for our innovators. So we developed this participative method that lasts like 1 year, and now we can actually weight the food that is saved and the food that is wasted.
Both in terms of the gender balance in participation and also gender balance in the decision-making roles or implementation, we are trying to understand, for instance, not only in terms of people deploying the innovation, but also if any jobs has been created, in what positions and to whom these opportunities are provided as a result.
The evaluation results will be used for scientific purposes, of course. They will be used for communication purposes because our innovating partners can make use of it also to win more customers, for example, to show and to prove that their innovations are really good working, successful, they can save this and this and that, they can support in our fight against food waste.